There's mummy skeletons knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky.
Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So today we're back with another awesome video for you guys. We have the Party City brand new Doctor Payne that was very hard to get.
Yeah.
We actually we ordered one early and then they turned around and canceled it on us. And I just happened to get back online and I was look what I found. I said they got one. So I ordered it and we went and picked it up. So the Doctor Payne, it's actually the fire breather that he's got the torch and then he blows it out and you hook a fogger up to it and it blows it out. So we're gonna put this together for you guys, see how much it is, how hard or easy I guess it is to put together, and then y'all might want to get one. I don't know if you'll get it this year or not, if they still have some on the
we'll try
internet. I haven't looked, and we're gonna put him together and try it out for you, and then once later on tonight we'll try to hook a fogger up to it, and that way you can see the whole thing, what it does and what it looks like, kind of right at getting dark. So okay guys, so we're going to start off with the frame. It doesn't really say front or back on it. Some of them do, some of them don't, but these have the little notches for the shoes to fit on, so those will go towards your front. What's next?
B, A and B. There's A.
All right, so you got the A's are labeled so they match up with the pieces on the frame. Pretty simple. Don't look like this is be a real hard one at all.
No,
then the shoes go on and they're not numbered, so it doesn't matter. And they do got little notches in them to fit those little spots on the frame.
C and D.
All right, so C.
Ooh, now see? All right, we put up several of these, and I'm telling y'all right now, I fight with these every time. It's the ones that have the Velcro all the way around the waistline. These already come attached.
Yes, and that's great.
I love that.
Yes. That's so front. All right.
Love that.
Can you reach that, sweetie? Or do I need to help you?
I have to go get my little step stool. I have to be careful too because it's got wires over here.
And there's a hole right there, so be careful, don't pull it through that whenever. All
right, and then E and F, which is
Now.
Yeah, I'm out now.
You can't reach it?
Nope.
All right. So.
All right, do you have H over there?
H right here, hand.
Yeah, so it says to do H, and it's one of these, but I think it's this one. It says go ahead and go ahead and put that on. It says insert and snap lock the arm pole with foam to the hand.
All right.
Insert and snap lock the arm with torches and the wrists together.
All right.
All right, and insert and snap the arm pole to the head and the body. So we got to get him out of the package.
All right. Boo.
I know. He's creepy. Show them. Like, his face is, like, crazy.
Yeah,
I like it.
He has a little bit.
Yeah, I like it. I don't know how I'm digging the hat, but...
All right. So, All right, so we're grabbing the J and we're going to go ahead and put it into the jacket.
Other side.
Oh. Let me set this down. All right. All right, got it? All right, then we're going to snap this into his body.
Hold on, it says he's got a...
What is it?
I guess just anywhere, because there's no Velcro. I guess just anywhere, because that's velvety stuff.
Yeah. All right. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I'm assuming.
Now it says insert and snap the arm with the torch to the body frame.
All right, you're going to slide that through his sleeve too, though, first. What is it? You put it through the sleeve. Just got to make that elbow there. Got it? Wait a minute. Let me pull this up. All right. Let's see. What are you trying to hit me for?
That's for when you get smart later.
Is that what that is? Yeah, really. Now.
Wait, we forgot this.
Got it?
No, hold on.
You get them little arms in there. I can't reach them under there.
Now where's his thing? Right here.
There's Velcro right there.
Okay. I just wonder if this needs to go down his shirt too.
Yep. It goes down the shirt down to the body.
Okay. Now, insert and snap lock the head and body to the waist. And untie your fog hose and run the hose down his clothes through his pant legs.
Get his jacket on.
All right, buddy. His head's in an awkward position.
All right, so let's lean her over on it. There you go. Yeah, see? Now, you want to, what did it say, feed it through his clothes?
Down his pant legs. It says all the way out the bottom. So,
and I would assume it probably needs to go down this other side because it's on this. I don't know that it matters.
all right, if it's standing behind him, it's on the right, his right foot.
Got it?
Nope.
All right. Now,
Now
we got, well, we need to get the,
cord's hooked
let's
up.
see. Yeah, we need to get the, all right. M. Is that M? Yep, M. I think there's only two in it.
No, there's several.
P and a O. Let's see, that one's already hooked up, so now you got a N. And I've seen, all right, what's next? It should have a sensor.
Oh, yeah. Where was that?
Right here. Right there it is, right there.
Well, we'll have to stand him up for that because it goes in his pant leg. So you ready?
Yeah. All right, so we got the sensor wire, and all we got to do now is the plug-in. Okay, guys, so we got it together. It's done got a little bit dark, so we wanted you to see what it looks like in the dark when it lights up and stuff. Now, it does say on there you can use a 400 or 1,000 watt fogger. We do have a 1,000 watt one that we have hooked up to it right now. So I'm going to hit it and let you see what it does.
Ladies Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, step right up if you dare.
Okay, guys, so that's it for the tutorial. We did pick this up at Party City, so if you want one, go out and get it. We like it.
Or try to.
Yeah, or try to get it. That's right, if you can, because I ordered one, got canceled, and I don't know if they still on there or not, because I actually found one that was like at one store. We've got like 2 or 3 in Lexington and a couple in Louisville, and only one of them had it. So
He's awesome.
yeah, he goes
him.
good with our circus display.
Yeah.
Jen really wanted him, and I ordered him, and I think she was kind of brokenhearted when they canceled the order. And I was like, I'm gonna keep getting on here looking, and I finally found one. So
yeah, he's great. So we are going to be doing a walkthrough later on. Well, we still have little things to tweak and stuff on here, but
yeah.
make sure you stay tuned for that video. Make sure you check back on our channel for that one. It's great. I think this is probably the biggest home haunt that we've done this year.
Yeah, and it's actually getting bigger and better because we've added a lot of stuff to it. There's a lot.
Yeah.
And make sure you're checking out your stores, because this past weekend we just went out and we hit Lowe's and we got some really good deals on stuff that was roughly 50-60% off or something like that. And then also Big Lots had some stuff on sale. They was 20% off, and if you're a members reward member, you got 25% more off. So we got 45% off. So we bought a werewolf that we actually found in the store. They said they were sold out everywhere. And this is why we do so much running, because the stores may say they're sold out, but when you go to it, they may have it, or maybe the display. And these was not even displays. They had them, but they was not showing that they had them. So we normally hit them all. Like we go to the bigger cities like Louisville and Lexington, and we just try to hit every one of them and go, what do they got?
Yeah.
So.
Oh, before we close it, you want to play him one more time, and I'll do him just a quick walkthrough of what we already have up?
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's see.
Don't be afraid. Come closer. My scorching flames will burn a hole into your soul.
So we're thinking about keeping him here. And like I said, just kind of bear with us because we're not 100% done yet, but this is kind of
This is the circus area, the backyard.
We did get our flags from Temu. Very, very cheap. Our signs that are hanging over the windows was Temu. He come from Lowe's. And look, y'all, I love these. Children left unattended will be sold to the circus. Yes, Temu. Oh, I forgot about him over here.
Yeah, and then the sign over there came from Temu.
Yep, so, that come from Temu.
And we'll do a good walkthrough. We don't want to show too much because we're going to do a little walkthrough video.
But just to kind of give you an idea, the curtains came from Temu. But like I said, we just have a few more things to tweak on here.
Oh, is he on?
And there's our other sign that we got from Temu. And then I made that little guy last year, which looks like he's going to have some more highlighters put in his water. He's kind of running out, but...
And I was like, did you turn him off?
Mm-mm.
He was off.
But that's what we've got going on right now, and that's kind of walking down here, and that's where he's going to be. Towards the end, we just kind of felt that we wanted to put him down here just because of the fog.
Yeah,
we didn't want
we did pick up the Nibbles, the clown. He'll be out here.
Yeah, he's just in the tent right now chilling. So
Okay, guys. Thanks for joining us. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Thanks, guys.